Hello everyone, this is Sophia from Rankbook Learning and Software Solutions. Today I am here at Namma Bengaluru attending Asia's largest conclave, that is Bengaluru Tech Summit 2024. Just like us, a lot more companies have set up their stalls over here, and as you guys know, Rankbook is the talk of the town and is providing jobs to multiple students at the most affordable prices. And if you want to know more about Rankbook, I'll take you to the right person. Come along. So right now I've just entered the Tech Summit Hall, and you can see multiple companies which are based over here from both tech and non-tech, IT and non-IT. You can see companies from robotics to artificial intelligence to machine learning to cyber security and everything good. So you can just have a tour over here. So as I previously said, right now we are here at the Rankbook stall, and I would love you guys to meet to a person. Come along.
Sophia.
Okay, we have Mr. Shashi Kumar with us, and who is the CEO of Rankbook, and I would love to ask him a few questions. So Rankbook has initiated a new thing called as Skill Karnataka. So I would ask him as to what is it all about.
Skill Karnataka is all about government supported project. So we are tied up with NSDC and KSDC. So we are now also have a mission to set up about 5,000 placements for the students. Also 10,000 upscaling for us students from tier 2 and tier 3 cities, like say about beyond Bengaluru. So for this we have government supported about 40% of the training cost. We also ask corporates or industries or MNCs to collaborate with us for a 60% of funding, so that this will bring us a lot of students where upskill their domain specific related exams, courses, many other things you can do it with Skill Karnataka. Also, the main thing about Skill Karnataka is we have a platform which is about assessment and interview portal. So where it is beneficiary for academia, students and industries. So where they have multiple login sectors. Let's say about academia, where they can log in for the students' criteria or students' portfolio, how are they building their skills and programs, and also about so student also can able to log into the portal where a lot of MNCs or corporates have a lot of vacancies where they'll post it in our portal. So that will help them to understand about the requirement what industry is focusing on. So what exactly that they can upskill by themselves or using our own LMS softwares. We have Rankbook, we have about a lot of DNAI applications, we have LMS applications, a lot of things we have, Sophia.
Okay. So thank you, Mr. Shashi Kumar. I hope he has given a deep insight about Skill Karnataka, and that's it for today. Thank you.